Hey, what's up guys? So here I have is a whiteboard. So if you're looking for a whiteboard, this is the perfect one for you. So you have, first of all, you have little magnetic holders. So these you can use to hold little notes. So you get 6 of them, 2 red, 2 blue, 2 yellow. And then you have your markers. So you have the different color markers, and the pretty cool thing about it, on the top side you have your eraser, and you have a little magnet, so you can just put it and it holds it. Lift it up, nothing will happen. So that's a pretty cool thing about it. Just make sure when you get your board, you take the plastic off. You have hanging on this side, or you can hang it on this side. However you want to hang it, you're good to go. So it has plastic. Make sure you take it off before using it. Okay, just to show you quick. Take it off. Make sure you take it all off. So now you grab your marker. Okay, so you're done using it. Go back side and you erase it. So that's pretty cool. Again, okay, you're done using it. You already explained, and you erase it. Okay, so if you're done using it, put it right there and the marker won't fall. Awesome board. That's the back side. You can write on the back side too. This is the other side. Very nice. Recommend the board. Magnetic whiteboard. Beautiful. Another color. Done. Erase it. Awesome, awesome, awesome.